Hello, my name is Sam Horsfall, and you've probably heard the saying, save the sea turtles, or use paper straws, or even plastic straws are killing the sea turtles. I mean, if you're like me, you did your part, but you weren't fully aware of the situation. There are a total of 7 species of turtles that occupy the oceans. They are highly migratory species that spend most of their lives underwater, but periodically they come to shore. They come up to either bask in the sun, or lay their eggs, or even just to take a breath. The most endangered species of turtles are the green and hawksbill. The green sea turtle can be easily distinguished from other turtles because of their prefrontal scales. In comparison, other turtles have 2 pairs of scales, while green only have 1. They contain an oval shape, and their shade of green varies on their location and environment. And they can grow to roughly 4.5 feet in length. They nest about every 2 weeks, and on average they lay about 115 eggs per nesting period. As of right now, they are listed as a threatened species and face a high risk of becoming extinct. The main factor that contributes to the loss of these sea turtles are fishing nets. One of the most threatened sea turtles is the hawksbill turtle. It can grow up to 45 inches in shell length and weigh up to 150 pounds. It can be identified by the thick, bony plates, and its head resembles a bird's beak. They are listed as critically endangered due to human impact. The shells of these turtles have been seen as a prized possession and lead to the killing of these sea turtles. In addition to the shells, humans consume the eggs despite their endangered listings. Sea turtles are important to humans because they play an important role in the ocean's ecosystem. They maintain healthy seagrass beds, coral reefs, as well as keep balance to marine food webs. If sea turtles were to completely go extinct, seagrass would die off. We would see a large effect on marine life, and this effect would eventually extend to human life, primarily the fishing industry. Although sea turtles are important to humans, humans are the largest threat to them and their environments. Sea turtles are slaughtered for their meat, eggs, and shells. As a species, they suffer from poaching and overexploitation. The largest threat to sea turtles is fishing gear. The sea turtles end up getting caught, and they cannot reach the surface to breathe, and they end up drowning. In addition to these factors, sea turtles are faced with climate change. The combination of sea level rise, hotter sands, and more severe storms all contribute to the changing of when and where sea turtles can nest. Hotter sands make it harder for turtles to lay their eggs and nest. More severe storms make it a threat to them coming onto land. Lastly, sea turtles face pollution as a hazard to their daily life. With their combination of chemicals, pollutants, and plastics, sea turtles are affected greatly. Their motion, brain function, and reproductive success is all affected by pollution. In the end, it brings up the question, how can we help? Well, that's pretty simple. It all starts with being better humans. The amount of waste within oceans needs to be reduced significantly. This can all be achieved through a beach cleanup and reducing the amount of plastic used. The use of reusable water bottles will reduce the amount of plastic and plastic bottles consumed by sea turtles. In addition, poaching needs to be stopped. These are all measures that can be taken to keep sea turtles around longer and healthier. Sea turtles are beautiful animals, and without them, the effects on the ecosystem will be drastic. Please do your part.